Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. So for this week, I had the installation stuff. For the week one, I installed VS Code and Git,
Okay.
and then I was waiting for my Linux operating system. So it will be done in 1 to 2 days. I will do that as well.
Okay.
And my AWS account is set with. I have created the IAM user, and I have assigned the role. This admin role. I have
Okay.
created the documentation also for that.
Okay, fine. And have you tried for Docker Kubernetes setup as well, or yet to try?
No, sir, yet to try. I was waiting for my Linux to get into my system. I'm now on Windows. So
Okay, okay.
once I'll have my Linux, so on that I will do that.
Okay, no issues. What you can try now? Now you can start with EC2 service. Okay, Elastic Compute
EC2
Cloud,
service.
Elastic Compute Cloud service, which will provide you virtual machine, and that
Okay,
will be
sir.
task for this week. Also, along with what is the documentation that we have maintained on GitHub repo, that also you can prefer. Right now, sign into your AWS account. I will guide you how to launch an Linux type of machine and how to connect it and work towards it.
Okay, sir. Just a second. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you can search for EC2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can click on it, and that's a EC2 console. Okay, Elastic Compute Cloud console. That's a separate console for this particular service. And by using this, you can launch virtual machine. So no need to have virtual machine on your physical machine. You will just launch it in particular data center. At the right hand side, you can see that Mumbai data center that you have selected right now. Okay, and just click on elastic IPs and delete it, because you will get bill regarding it.
Okay, sir.
Select all and click on release. uh, yes, release elastic IP addresses.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just click on dashboard again, EC2 dashboard. Okay, you have key pairs, security groups, fine. Okay, so now click on launch instance tab. Launch instance, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now you can rename this. You can rename this as my Linux or whatever you want, or my virtual machine, anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will select for OS, operating system, and here you can by default select for Amazon Linux, or suppose you want Ubuntu type of operating system, you can select that one too.
Okay, sir.
So just click on Amazon Linux, which is under free tier. Cancel, click on cancel. Amazon Linux.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this Amazon Linux, which is from Red Hat. Red Hat operating system is there, and this one is also their product. So this comes under free tier, means for 750 hours you can use it if you are having T2 micro type of instance. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so later on you can select for below details, just drop down. Okay, here is the architecture for virtual machine. You are selected 64-bit architecture. Okay, fine, that's fine. uh, then you are selecting instance type. Instance type is a machine type, right? So
Yes, sir.
like we are buying a machine, we are selecting for RAM configuration, hard disk configuration. Likewise, when you are selecting for T2 micro, 1 GB of RAM machine will be allocated to you. And if you are selecting for higher type of machines details, you will get bill. Okay, and there is billing for T2 micro also, but up to 750 hours if you are running it and using it, that will be charged after 750 hours. And up to that point you will not be charged. That's the case. So what you can try, when you will practice on EC2 instance, after the practice you can terminate it or you can stop it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can select for key pair details. Okay, you can click on a new key pair, click on create new key pair. You can name this as key.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and there are two types of key pairs are there. When you are having Windows type of operating system and you want to connect it via terminal or Windows terminal, you can use .pm file. In case of Linux to Linux connection, you can also use .pm. But when you are having Windows operating system of Windows 8, 7 and over there Windows terminal is not present, in that case you can use putty type of software and you can have .ppk. So right now what we will try, we will connect this machine by using PowerShell or Windows terminal. So we can have .pm. So you can directly click on create key pair machine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this key pair will be in a downloads, in your case downloads folder. Keep it as it is. And now next settings is
Yes,
about
sir.
networking. So within networking you can have VPC, that is virtual private cloud, subnet which is part of network, and auto assign public IP which should be enabled, because when we are connecting via internet traffic, that particular machine should have public IP, then only we can connect it. So we are keeping it as it is. And then setting is about security group. This acts as a firewall. So there are two types of traffics are there for every machine, that is inbound traffic and outbound traffic. When any traffic is coming inside a machine, that's inbound, and when traffic is going from machine to outside, that is outbound traffic. For example, suppose you are hosting a website, so we are connecting from internet to the machine, so that rule will be in an inbound rule. Okay, same for SSH connection, that is sequential connection, we are having inbound rule for it. Okay, so here you have tick for allow SSH traffic, right? So that will be added as a inbound security group. Then check on another tabs, click on allow HTTP traffic, HTTPS traffic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And at last, at the right hand side, you can see launch instance option is there. uh, okay, so when you're clicking on it, the virtual machine will be created within a seconds. So it's similar to you are having ISO file, then launching virtual machine, then creating virtual machine inside it. So that process has been saved now. So you have saved 1 hour, 2 hours of yours, and you have launched a virtual machine in Mumbai data center. Okay, then the billing has been started now, right? And you want to use this machine, as we are using this machine as a renting service from Mumbai data center. So click on that ID, instance ID. Click on hide button over there. Okay, so there are states of this machine. First of all, it's in a pending state. After that, it will be in a running state soon. And when you are stopping it, it will be in a stop state. Also you can restart the machine. So right now when you want to connect this machine, that machine should be in a running state. That's a required condition. Also this machine should have a public IP. So if you are clicking on instance ID, you will get the IP details, network details, etc, etc. Right now we want to connect this machine, so select it and click on connect. you have to check for the box, yes, and click on command.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there is a command, that is example command over there. You can copy it. There is a noise from outside, just you can cross check.
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
Okay, just I think background noise is there from someone else. Let me mute it. Okay, fine now. Yes. So you can click on that command. Example command is there. You can copy it. Now open PowerShell from your start search. Okay, click on it. Full screen it. So we have launched an instance that's in a running state, and we want to connect this machine via SSH connection. So wherever key pair is present, from there only you can connect for this machine, because we want to provide the path. So here you can enter cd space downloads. Okay, now try for ls command, which is used for listing of files and folders. Okay, and your key pair name was I think key. So just check for it whether it's present at the top list. Yes, E F G H I J K. After J it will be there. Yes, k.pm is present. Okay, from here you need to paste that command that we have copied below that. Here you need to paste the command, SSH command. You can copy it again. Yes. Say yes, type yes and enter.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, are you got have you got any message that connection is successful? Yes. So now we have connected to virtual
Sir,
machine.
your voice is cracking.
Just hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible? Okay, okay, fine. So we have connected with the virtual machine, which is in Mumbai data center right now. And now you can practice for basic Linux command. So try for ls command, ls. Yes, enter it. Okay, so there are no files and folders. You need to create it. So for creating folder, you can try for mkdir space folder. Okay, you can name it as folder. Enter it again. Okay, now try for ls again. Fine, so folder has been created. Now suppose you want to create a file, you can use touch command in that case. So touch space test.py. test, T-A-T-E-S-T. Not the test, T-E-S-T. Okay, fine. No, no issues, no issues. File just has been created. No issues. Okay, try for ls again. Okay, so you have files and folder. Suppose you want to move that file to the folder, which command you can try? You can try for mv. So try for mv space name of file space name of folder. Okay, now try for ls command again. You can see that file has been moved to the folder here. Now just enter into that folder. How you can try? You can try for cd command. Cd space name of folder. Cd space folder. Okay. Now check for present working directory path. Try for pwd. Okay. So enter it. So you are in home folder. After that, EC2 user is the folder name as per the user level, and then you are having folder as the folder. And try for ls here. You can see test.py will be here. Okay, so that's a Python file. And what we will try, we will edit this file and we can add some Python code here. So for editing, you can use Vim or Nano. So just check for Nano space hyphen hyphen version command. Okay, so Nano is present here. We can edit this file using Nano. So try for sudo space test.py. Sudo nano test.py. Nano. Sorry. Uh, sudo nano test.py. Uh, Yes, okay, fine. Test. Go with Control X, closing it again. Control X. Try for the command again and just remove the space before test. Sudo nano test.py. Space test. One space is required. Only one space is required. Sudo nano test.py. Okay, now perfect. Now here you can write print in bracket. You can write in double inversion. Try for hello world, and there should be space after print. Okay, fine. You can save it. Save and Control X for closing. Okay, now run this file. Python space name of file. Python 3. Enter just Python 3. Okay, the package name is Python 3 by default here. Python 3 space name of file. Go with exit. Type exit again. Exit. Exit bracket. Python 3 space test.py. Okay, so you are getting output. Hello world. So suppose you want to install some softwares. Which command you can try on Linux? Do you have any idea? Okay, sudo yum install and name of software. Just write sudo yum install yum, not a yum, yum. Then you can try for Java. Suppose you want to install Java, just write Java, and you can add hyphen y after it for directly saying yes. Space hyphen y. Now enter. Okay, fine. It will install Java automatically. Okay. Now check for Java version after this. How you can check for Java version? Same command you can try. Name of package space hyphen hyphen version. So Java space hyphen hyphen version command you can try. Fine, you are getting output. Now suppose you want to install a gate. How you can install it? What will be the command? Sudo yum install install and name of software git hyphen y git hyphen y. Enter it. Okay. In this way, it can be installed on system. Okay, and so there are a lot more commands are there for Linux level, but up to this. So task for you within these 2 days will be launching a virtual machine, that is EC2. Linux type of machine you need to launch. You need to practice some basic commands, Linux basic commands, and then after the practice, either you can stop this instance or you can terminate it. Okay. So now we will try to terminate it. So select for your uh, cloud console. Just cross check for your AWS console now and click for instances tab here. Select instance, checkbox at the left side. Fine. And then click on terminate instance. Okay, click on. So now this instance has been shut down. Okay, and you will not be charged. So when you are using it for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, that type of charge will be calculated. And how you can cross check for billing? Just click on AWS logo at the left hand side, at the right left corner top, and there is a cost and usage tab below it. Okay, here your bill will be generated, but after 1 month, after 1 month or after few days, you will see that. Okay, so have you understood the process? You need to practice. Everyone, just say yes or no in chat box so that I can get idea. Okay. And what about previous tasks? Have you performed it, everyone? Just let me know. Enter your GitHub username in chat box so that I can note it down. I hope everyone has signed up for GitHub. Or you can paste the details in a WhatsApp group as well. You can just enter the message regarding your previous task. We have completed GitHub sign up. We have completed AWS account sign up so that I can get idea whether you have practiced or not. Because in upcoming tasks that AWS account is required for practice purposes. Also for GitHub account is also required. And any challenges for Docker, Kubernetes, or any other stuff, just let me know. And you can also share your screen and uh, you can share your screen. And if challenges are there, we can discuss. So Siddharth has signed up for AWS and GitHub stuff. What about you, Aditya? I think you have messaged me. I have checked your message. You have done with the GitHub as well. Have you tried for Docker Kubernetes part? Uh, okay. So what you can try, today we have seen about how to launch an EC2, how to connect it, and we have practiced for few commands as well. So over there you can try for sudo yum install docker, and in this way you can install docker. That's a simple step. You can try. Okay, and I will share one recording regarding a Docker as well, so that you can cross check it. What about you, Aryan? Have you practiced? Yes, Prajwal, Parth, Pranav, Yash, तुमची काही प्रॅक्टिस झाली आहे? तर काय करा, कधी प्रॅक्टिस झाल्यानंतर त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट ग्रुपला ऍड करून द्या. ठीक आहे, चालेल. आणि आजचं रेकॉर्डिंग मी तुम्हाला शेअर करतो. प्लस मला बहुतेक तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी फॉर्म फिलअप केलेलाच असेल. मी एकदा क्रॉस चेक करतो प्रत्येकाचे डिटेल्स आलेत का माझ्याकडे, आणि तुम्हाला मी ऑफर लेटर रिलीज करून देतो. तुम्हाला मेल येऊन जाईल ऑफर लेटरचं, जे तुम्ही कॉलेजमध्ये सबमिट करू शकता. मला फक्त डेट सांगा, कधीपासून कधीपर्यंत पाहिजे. 2 महिन्याची इंटर्नशिप पाहिजे ना तुम्हाला? रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर्म मध्ये काय दिलंय, एकदा फॉर्म शेअर करता का मला, फॉर्मची लिंक वगैरे? ऍटलीस्ट मी क्रॉस चेक करून घेतो. चालतंय. मला मेल किंवा मेसेज करा व्हॉट्सअपला त्या लिंक बद्दल. मी बघतो, एकदा क्रॉस चेक करतो. आणि आजची जी प्रॅक्टिस आहे, AWS मध्ये EC2 इन्स्टन्स लॉन्च करणं, कनेक्ट करणं, ही थोडी प्रॅक्टिस करून बघा. आणि ॲडव्हान्स लेवलला आता आपण लिनक्सचं ट्राय केलं, तर नंतर तुम्ही विंडोजचं पण ट्राय केलं तर चालेल, पण त्याला RDP कनेक्शन वगैरे द्यावं लागतं. माझ्याकडे काही रेकॉर्डिंग्स असतील ते मी शेअर करून देतो. ते पाहत पाहत प्रॅक्टिस करा. आणि ही सोपी स्टेप आहे AWS शिकण्यासाठी. थोडा वेळ लागतो या सगळ्या प्रोसिजरला, पण होऊन जाईल. ठीक आहे, काही डाऊट्स आहेत तुमचे? काही चॅलेंजेस आधीच्या प्रॅक्टिसमध्ये? आधीची प्रॅक्टिस पूर्ण करा, कारण ती रिक्वायरमेंट आहे पुढे जाऊन तुम्हाला जेनकिन्स किंवा शेप, पपेट, अँसिबल, डॉकर ह्या सगळ्या टूल्सला ट्राय करण्यासाठी. तर अजून 1-2 दिवसामध्ये एक रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग ठेवू आपण, तेव्हा मी पर्सनली एकदा क्रॉस चेक करतो तुमचे अकाउंट्स. ठीक आहे. आणि हे आत्ताची रेकॉर्डिंग मी अपलोड करेन व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपला, तिथून तुम्ही रेफरन्स घेऊ शकता. सेकंड मला चॅटमध्ये तुमचे डिटेल्स थोडं कॉपी करून घेतो. डॉकर कोणी ट्राय केलंय तुमच्यापैकी? डॉकर, क्युबरनेटिस किंवा त्याच्याबद्दल काही ऐकलंय आधी? ठीक आहे, एक काम करा, डॉकर ची ऑफिशियल वेबसाईट थोडी रीड करा. आणि नेक्स्ट मीटिंग मध्ये मला तुम्ही थोडं इन्स्ट्रक्ट करायचं की डॉकर बद्दल तुम्हाला काय कळालं. हा, ठीक आहे, चालतंय. तर तुमच्यासाठी टास्क कशी आहे, एकतर EC2 इन्स्टन्स लॉन्च करणं आणि त्याला कनेक्ट करणं SSH ने, आणि सेकंड टास्क आहे डॉकर बद्दल थोडं रीड करणं. काही प्रेझेंटेशन क्रिएट केलं तरी चालेल, किंवा आपण डिस्कस करू त्याबद्दल काय करता येईल. आणि नेक्स्ट मीटिंग मध्ये मी तुम्हाला थोडं डॉकरचं इन्स्टॉलेशन कसं करायचं, कॉन्फिगर कसं करायचं, यूज कसं करायचं, त्याच्याबद्दल थोडं गाईड करतो. ठीक आहे, चालतंय, स्टॉप करू इथे. आणि एकमेकांसोबत हेल्प करून थोडं प्रॅक्टिस करा. तर लवकरात लवकर पुढे जाता येईल. काय डाऊट्स आहेत आणखी, काही तुमचे चॅलेंजेस? हॅलो, काही चॅलेंजेस किंवा काही गोष्टी समजायला अवघड जाते, किंवा AWS काय लक्षात येत नाहीये, डाऊट विचारू शकता तुम्ही. यस पार्थ, कोई डाउट है? समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, ठीक है, ठीक है, स्टॉप करते हैं.